सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ओम शांति शांति शांति। नमस्कारः।
नमस्कार सर।
स्वागतं पुनरेकवारं। मन्ये अद्य वयं लब्धप्रणाशतन्त्रस्य अन्तं पश्यामः, अन्ते गच्छामः, अन्तं पश्यामश्च। श्रीनिवास, अद्यतनी संख्या वर्तते
85,000-शततमः वर्गः।
85,000-शततमः वर्गः, 158th class today, where we are going to finish the fourth tantra of the Panchatantra, namely Labdha Pranasha Tantra is comfortably going to be over. It's a matter. Over to you, Srinivas.
Yes sir. From this slokam apatat, from here we have to.
Yes, yes.
Uttamam pranipatena शूरं भेदेन योजयेत् नीचमल्पप्रदानेन समशक्तिं पराक्रमैः.
So this is the conversation going on between this story is being narrated by Vanara to Makara, as you know. Vanarena kathyamana iyam katha Magaraya. So atra samaptim gachati idanim. So tachrutva chitrako duram prarastha. So how cleverly Mahachatura Shugala managed to evade the lion, evade the tiger, and then when the Chitraka came, when the Dvipi came, the leopard came, it very intelligently managed the leopard and saw to that the leopard cuts open the skin, hard skin of the elephant. And once the leopard attacked the skin and it scared the leopard also, saying that the lion is approaching and the leopard. Tachrutva chitrako duram pranastaha. Immediately that leopard left afar. Then this very clever this jackal, asau tad bheda krutadvarena, by that skin opened by the leopard, kinchin mamsam bhakshayati tavad tavad, as he was eating, as he ate up some flesh of the elephant, atisankruddha aparaha shrugalaha samayato, another Shrugala came over there in the scene, and then tam atmatulya parakramam drishtva, and this jackal found the incoming jackal to be equal strength of atmatulya parakramam, of equal to his strength, drishtva enam slokam apata. Then he read out this very confident, because in the context the Shrugala is so shrewd that it could manage the lion, tiger, and also the leopard. What is this Shrugala now? What is the another Shrugala before this? That is the confidence of the person here, character. Uttamam pranipatena, once again the writer comes out to give this upadesha. Uttamam pranipatena, if he is superior to you, then you surrender to him. Pranipata, you bow down to him. Shuram bhedena yojayet. If he is shura, braver than you, then you should adopt the policy called bheda and create some kind of bheda and then get out of his clutches. Nicham, if he is a very low person, as we have already talked about it, alpa pradhanena, he should be given some pradhana. Give him something and get your work done. Samashaktim parakramai, and if he is of equal strength, this poem came earlier also. Samashaktim parakramai, if he is of equal strength, that is why the previous line says tam atmatulya parakramam, that is important. Društva, finding him equal to his strength, he said, I will manage it. Samam samashaktim parakramai, if he is atmatulya parakrama, if he is samashakti, then parakrama, valor should be used to overpower the enemy. So once again the writer is reminding through this. The next page. Tatascha.
ततश्च अभिमुखकृतप्रयाणः स्वदंष्ट्राभिः तं विदार्य दिगन्तभाजं कृत्वा स्वयं सुखेन चिरकालं हस्तिमांसं बुभुजे.
Thereafter, tad abhimukha kruta prayanaha, and going, marching, abhimukha prayana means marching the incoming jackal, swadamstravihi with its fangs, with its teeth, damstra, with its jaws, you can say, with its jaws, damstravihi tam vidarya. Now, very confidently, this jackal, Mahachatura, tore open with its jaws the incoming enemy. Swadamstravihi tam vidarya Diganta bhajam krutva. And how confident the animal is. Diganta bhajam means diganta bhajam, tossing the flesh into the direction, in all the directions. Dikku, akasha bhajam.
Oh,
Diganta bhajam krutva. This Mahachatura Shrugala tore open the incoming jackal in such a way that the flesh flung into the air. Diganta bhajam krutva swayam sukhena, and himself sukhena chirakalam, for a long time. Hastimamsam bubuje, he enjoyed the hastimamsa. Now you can imagine so much flesh and so little an animal. It enjoyed. That is why the writer says chirakalam. For a long time it went on eating that big uh, food in the form of the hastimamsa.
एवं त्वमपि तं रिपुं स्वजातीयं युद्धेन परिभूय दिगन्तभाजं कुरु, नो चेत् पश्चाद् बद्धमूलात् अस्मात् त्वमपि विनाशम् अवाप्स्यसि, उक्तं च यतः.
And therefore now monkey Chatura Vanara is advising Evam Tvamapi, now addressing the Makara, the crocodile, you also Tam Ripum. Now Makara, as reported, has been told, just now informed in the story, that its home has been taken over by some other Makara. So Tvamapi, you Makara, Tvamapi Makara, Tam Ripum, Tam Shatrum, Swajatiyam, of your jati, of your species, namely the same crocodile, alligator, Yudhena Paribuya, overcoming with fight, Diganta Bhajam Kuru, you also tear him into pieces. Diganta Bhajam Kuru, tear him into pieces. No Chet, otherwise, Paschad, afterwards, Baddha Moolat. Otherwise, if you don't go and immediately attack your enemy, then that enemy who has occupied your house will become Baddhamula, means he will be firmly rooted in the house. He will become a permanent resident there. In other words, he will become a permanent Baddhamula, that is that. Baddhamulat, because of being deeply rooted there, stationed permanently there, Asmat Tvamapi Vinasham Avapsasi, then you will only get destroyed by him, due to him. So go and immediately attack him. Uktamcha, because it is also said.
सम्भाव्यं गोषु सम्पन्नं सम्भाव्यं ब्राह्मणे तपः सम्भाव्यं स्त्रीषु चापल्यं सम्भाव्यं जातितो भयम्.
So what are the possible fears? Sambhavyam means vitarkaniyam, tarkaniyam, uhaniyam, uhitum shakyam tatra. Sambhavyam goshu sampannam. So goshu, towards the cows, we can expect riches from the cows. So ancient Indian culture is that as many number of cows a person has, so rich he will be in India. That was the cow was the wealth, in fact, and all gotras are supposed to have sprung from this. So and so gotra means so and so rishi has so many cows, so he became famous. So here sambhavyam goshu sampannam dhanam. Sambhavyam, that is vitarkaniyam, can be guessed, can be expected. Wealth can be expected from the number of cows, goshu. Sambhavyam brahmane tapaha. And also it can also be guessed or expected that tapas with regard to a brahmana. Brahmana is there, then there will be tapasya. Sambhavyam strishu chapalyam, and what can be expected out of women, strishu, is chapalyam, chapalatvam. Women are by nature fickle like. And similarly, sambhavyam jatito bhayam. And what can be expected from people of the same jati species is also bhayam, fear. Fear is also can be expected from the one's own species in the context of the species of the Makara jati. Anyacha.
Yeah. Subhikshani vichitrani shithila paurayoshitaha eko dosho videshasya swajatir yadviruddhyate yadviruddhyate makaraha kathametat vanaraha abravit.
We are entering into the last, so this is the 10th story. 11th story is introduced here. Subhikshani, there is a Patantara here, Srinivas. Subhakshyani, that is better, I think. Subhikshani means well off. Subhakshyani means good eatables. That is the difference here. Subhakshyani vichitrani. I think this is better. Subhakshyani, Shobhanam Bhakshyani. Vichitrani of various types of good eatables, like the eatables that were there prepared in for Ghatotgat in Maya Bazar. Subhakshyani is better reading than Subhikshani, I find. Vichitrani of various food articles, good food and various types. Shitilaha Paurayoshitaha. Paurayoshitaha means Purayoshitaha. And the women belonging to cities, belonging to city, Paura. Yoshitaha Striyaha. Shitilaha, very loose. Loose here is interpreted as loose in managing their household affairs, Srinivas, not otherwise. Not loose character here. Shitila means loose. Shitilaha Paurayoshitaha. The women belonging to the city are very slack in managing their domestic affairs, very loose. Ekaha doshaha videshasya. There is one defect of going to foreign land. Swajatihi yad virudhyati. Our own jati people, they become our enemies. When we go to a foreign land, our own people, they become our swajatihi virudhyati is opposed. Becoming totally opposite. Swajatir yad virudhyati. Ekaha doshaha. Only that is the only fault in going to Videsha. Otherwise, if you go to Videsha in those days, subhakshyani vichitrani, various types of eatables, good eatables, and women were not very strict in managing the fiscal, financial affairs, domestic affairs, but our own people were our enemy. What is that Makara asked? Katametat? Kathamaha Makaraha Katametat? Vanaraha Bravit. Atra vayam antimam katham labda pranashasya iyam antima ekadashi katha vartate.
विदेशगत सारमेय कथा अथवा चित्रांगनाम सारमेय कथा अस्ति कस्मिंश्चित् अधिष्ठाने चित्रांगः नाम सारमेयः तत्र च चिरकालं दुर्भिक्षं पतितम् अन्न अभावात् सारमेयादयः निष्कुलतां गन्तुम् आरब्धाः.
So this is the opening of the story of Chitranga the dog. Asti kasminchid adhisthane. In some place there was a dog by name Chitrangaha. Spotted dog. Chitra Angaha. Nama Sarameya. So it must have many spots. Like what is that? There is a species now, spotted dog. I am not getting that. Famous name is there, Srinivas. I am not getting that. We have spotted dogs. Tatra there, Chirakalam Durbiksham Patitam. So in some place, the dog by name Chitranga was there, and there was Durbiksha famine for a long time. Chirakalam Patitam, Apatitam. Anna Abhavat, because when Durbiksha is there, you know the meaning of Durbiksha, na? Dukkena Bhiksha Labhyate Yatra. Yasmin Samaye. where it is very difficult to beg for. A situation where it is very difficult for the mendicants and beggars to beg for food, the Durbiksha. Subhiksha, very easy to beg. So when there is no famine, when rains are there in time and crops are coming, so every household will be having the food items. So anybody going there, any bhikshu or any bhikshuka going and asking for food, he will be fed with it. Not only bhikshukas, but even animals can also be fed. Leftovers are given to the animals. We know that. So Dirbuksha is explained like that. Atra Anna Bhavat Sarameya. Sarameyadaya, dog and other animals like cats and other, and you can say rats also, all things, all animals, beginning with, because the main character here is Chitranga, Sarameya, Kukuraha. Nishkulatam Gantum Arabdaha. They started becoming, Nishkulatam means losing their families. Because of so much famine, they were losing their family members. Arabdaha, slowly. Yes, sir.
अथ चित्रांगः क्षुत्क्षामकण्ठः तद् भयात् देशान्तरं गतः तत्र च कस्मिंश्चित् पुरे कस्यचित् गृहमेधिनः गृहिण्याः प्रमादेन प्रतिदिनं गृहं प्रविश्य विविधानि अन्नानि भक्षयन् परां तृप्तिं गच्छति परं तद् गृहात् बहिः निष्क्रामन् अन्यैः मदोद्धत सारमेयैः सर्वदिक्षु परिवृत्य सर्वांगं दंष्ट्राभिः विदार्यते.
You can pause there, yeah. So this is the beginning of this story, that a dog by name Chitranga was there. Due to famine, not only this dog but various other animals also, they started losing their members. Then Chitranga Kshut Kshama Kantaha, an expression which is very common in Panchatantra. Kshudha tat Kshama Bhyam Tatra Kshama Shushka Kantaha. Kshudaya Shushka Kantaha. The throat becoming dry because of the hunger and also thirst. Tad Bhayat Deshantaram Gataha. Due to the fear of that famine, Deshantaram Anyam Desham Gataha. It went to some other country. So you readers should also note that how easy it was in those days to go from one country to another country. So it went to some neighboring country. Tatra there, Chakasminchit Pure, in some city, Kasyachit Gruhamedhinaha. Gruhamedhin means Grihastasya. Grihastasya Gruhinyaha Pramadena. Because of the Pramada means negligence of a housewife of some householder. Kasyachit Gruhamedinaha Grihastasya Gruhinyaha Pramadena. Nirlakshyena. Because of the negligence of some inalertness of some woman, housewife. Pratidinam, this dog, Gruham Pravishya, it used to enter into that house, Gruham Pravishya. Vividhani Annani Bhakshayan, it used to eat various types of foods. That is why in the opening introductory poem, Subhikshani, Subhakshyani. So that Patantara is good. Subhakshyani Vichitrani. Various types of foods, very tasty food. So,
excuse me, sir. I think there's some noise coming out of your earphones.
Oh. The signal has not improved.
No, the earphones are moving, I think. It's not fixed properly.
Okay, now?
Yeah, now it's better.
Okay, sorry.
Thank you, sir.
So already it is indicated that Subhakshyani Vichitrani. So this dog had started tasting Vividhani Annani Bhakshayan, eating various types of foods. Param Truptim Gachati. It enjoyed the highest bliss there, highest satisfaction. Param, but Tad Gruhad Bahihi Nishkraman. Whenever this dog due to the negligence of that lady, used to get in and then eat to its fill various types of delicious foods. And when it's to come out, tad gruhat bahi nishkraman, while entering out, coming out of the house, anyaihi madodhata sarameyahi, by other madota, highly, intoxicated, you can say, highly proud, intoxicated dogs, Sarva Dikshu Parivritya, this is the dog mentality. If one dog, a stranger dog goes to some other colony, other lane, then that lane dogs all surround this dog. Even now it happens the same thing. So they all surrounded him, these dogs.
Yeah.
They were so, puffed up. And then they surrounded him. How? Gruhina Truptim Vachati, Sarva Dikshu Parivritya, from all directions. See the dog's mentality. From all directions, Parivritya covering. Sarva Angam Sarvangam Damstravihi Vidaryate. And they used to cut open the body of this dog, which had just eaten so nice food. It was, by their jaws. With their jaws, they used to break open the body. Yes.
A small spelling mistake here, sorry. Bahihi nishkraman anyaihi, na? So this then
Nishkraman Anyaihi. That is Anyaihi. Anyaihi Madodhataihi. Madodhata Saramihi.
nishkraman. There is two nas here, so that is required. Nishkraman.
Nishkramat. Nishkraman Anyaihi. That is your saying. Nishkramat. Nishkraman in Shatru Pratyayanta, it becomes Nishkraman Anyaihi.
Nishkraman anyaihi.
Gacchannatra.
Oh.
Double comes there.
Oh.
Listen, yeah. Gacchannasti. Gacchannasti.
Fine.
So
In
Vikra.
Sandhi it becomes two nas.
Yeah, two. Double.
Okay, thank you, sir. Tataha tena vichintitam. Aho varam swadesho yatra durbhikshepi sukhena sthiyate nacha kopi yuddham karoti. Tadevam svanagaram vrajami. Iti avadharya swasthanam prati jagama.
Then what happened? It was badly mauled. It is called getting mauled. The dog was mauled by other ferocious dogs from all around this surrounding. Tataha then tena vichintitam. The dog thought, Chitranga thought like this, oh, varam swadeshaha. Better is our own country, my own country. Yatra where durubhikshepi, even in famine time also, sukhena stiyate, I could stay happily. Though no food, I can stay happily. Nachako api yuddham karoti, nobody comes to fight in my country. Tad, so, evam, so, swanagaram gachami. So I will not stay here, go to my place. Swanagaram gachami iti avadarya, having decided like this, nischitya, swasthanam swagruham prati jagama. It went back to its place.
अथ असौ देशान्तरात् समायातः सर्वैः अपि स्वजनैः पृष्टः भोः चित्रांग कथय अस्माकं देशान्तरवार्तां कीदृक् देशः किं चेष्टितं लोकस्य कः आहारः कः च व्यवहारः तत्र इति.
It is like, in our young days, if somebody came from America, people would gather around him and tell him, oh, tell us your experience about America. How is America? How are the people there? What are their food habits, etc. Something like that he is describing here. So the dog returned, Chitranga returned to his own country. Atha then asau, deshantarat samayataha. Returned from foreign land. Deshantarat samayataha pratinivruttaha sarvaihi api swajanaihi sarvairapi shunakaihi swajanaihi shunakaihi, by its own people, dog, own dogs. Prushtaha, he was asked, Boho, Chitranga, oh Chitranga, Kathaya Asmakam Deshantara Vartam. Please tell us something about the foreign news. You are a foreign return now. There is a joke here. My guru, Pulela Ramachandrudu, sir, used to cut jokes like very subtle jokes. No, Deshantara Vartam. Generally we say na people coming from abroad, foreign returned. Then sir would say, returned by foreign. Rejected that piece. He is not foreign returned, returned by foreign, he said. So Deshantara Vartam. So please, Kathaya, Vadatu. Kidrug Deshaha, what kind of country it is? Kim Chestitam Lokasya. What type of Chestita means occupation people have there? What do people do there? Kaha Visargalopa. Ahara, what is their food habit? Kascha Vyavahara, and what is their day-to-day dealings like? Kascha Kahacha Vyavahara Tatra. So they wanted to know how is the country, what is the kind of main occupation there, Chestitam, and what is the food available there, and what is the business there, dealing of the people there, Vyavaharascha.
स आह किं कथ्यते विदेशस्य स्वरूपविषये सुभिक्षाणि विचित्राणि शिथिलाः पौरयोषितः एको दोषो विदेशस्य स्वजातिर्यद्विरुध्यते.
The same sloka which started this story. He said what to say Videshasya Swarupa Vishay, what to talk about the nature of the foreign land. I have been there. I am now foreign returned. Subhikshani, Subhakshyani, I am changing again. Subhakshyani, Vichitrani, good eatings, various types of eatables. Shitilaha Paurayoshita, but women were very. Now, why is he using the dog? Is using Shitilaha Paurayoshita because he could easily go into the house of who was so careless and eat all the food items there. That is why Shitilaha Paurayoshitaha. Ekaha doshaha videshasya. Only one fault of the foreign country is that Swajatihi yad viruddhyate. But our own jati is our enemy there, is opposite there. This is the only one defect there.
सोऽपि मकरः तदुपदेशं श्रुत्वा कृतं रणनिश्चयः वानरमनुज्ञाप्य स्व आश्रयं गतः. तत्र च स तेन स्वगृहप्रविष्टेन आततायिना सह विग्रहं कृत्वा दृढसत्त्व अवष्टम्भाच्च तं व्यापाद्य स्व आश्रयं च लब्ध्वा सुखेन चिरकालम् अतिष्ठत्. साधु इदम् उच्यते.
And then when the Makara is advised by the Vanara like this, Sopi Makaraha, that crocodile, Tad Upadesham, Tasya Vanarasya Upadesham Shrutva, just like the Upadesha given by Arjuna to, Krishna to Arjuna. Krutamarana Nischayaha. Now the Makara decided to die for fight, but to fight for the home. Krutamarana Nichayaha Vanaram Anugnapya. That is taking leave of the Vanara. Vanaram Anugnapya Swa Ashrayam Gataha. It reached its home. Tatra there Cha Sa, that is Makara, Tena Swagruha Pravishtena. Already home was occupied by some enemy crocodile. Swagruha Pravishtena Atatayina Saha Vigraham Yuddham Krutva. It immediately, no sooner the Makara reached its place, it started fighting with the Atatayi. Atatayi means the infiltrator, usurper, the felon, Atatayi. This is a very beautiful word, Srinivas. Atatayi is explained, Atatena Vistarena Shastradina Aitum Shilamasya. The one who is ready with his bow in those days, bowstring, ready to shoot. Atatena vistarena shastra. Shastradina, taking a shastra and keeping ready. It could be a bow ready to shoot arrow, or it could be the sword also ready to attack. So such a person is called Atatai. And Dharma Shastra says, Manu Dharma also says that na Atatai vadhe, in killing such a Atatai, hanta kilbisham prapnuyat kvachit. The killer will not get any papa kilbisham. That means even in our penal code also, Indian law, if somebody is going to kill you, if somebody comes to kill you, you can kill him in self-defense and you will not be punished for that. This law, I think, is there even now in our Indian IPC. If somebody enters home, for example, somebody forcefully enters home and tries to kill you, in the process you can kill him because he is an Atatai. And this is coming from ancient law also. So, Atatai vade hanta kilbisham prapniyat kvachit. So, you will not have any kilbisham papam in killing such a criminal like usurper, felon. In English, we call them felon, felonious fellow. So, such person is called Atatai. This is only modern word terrorist, Srinivas.
Yeah.
You can call it terrorist. A terrorist has occupied its house. So, no sooner it went there, Gruham Pravishtena, Atatahina, Saha Vigraham Krutva, Vigraham Rama Yuddham Krutva, Druda Sattva Avastambat, because of Sattva means Balam, summoning up its all courage, great courage. Druda Sattva Avastambat, summing, bringing all its great strength together. Tam Vyapadya, that means picking up lot of courage. In other words, Druda Sattva Avastambat Chatam Atatayinam Vyapadya Marayitva, killing that Atatayi, picking up all the courage. And where this courage comes from? From the words of the Vanara. Vana, because the soldier, the fighter has to be motivated mentally.
Yes.
Unless there is motivation, they cannot fight. So that is this one word gives us so much meaning. Druda, Sattva Bala, Avastamana, depending on pulling up all the Sattva Bala, so what do you call it? Summoning up great courage and strength, Tam Atatayinam Makaram Vyapadya, Swa Ashrayam Labdva, and got back its Ashraya, its Gruha, Sukhena, very happily. Chirakalam Atistat, even this crocodile lived there for a long time. Sadhu idam uchyate, rightly this is said.
Akrutva paurusham yashri kim tayapi subhogyaya jarad gavassamashnati दैवादुपनतं तृणम् इति श्री विष्णु शर्मा विरचिते पंचतंत्रे लब्धप्रणाशं नाम चतुर्थं तंत्रम्
Samaptam iti naha samaptam. Akrutva paurusham yashri. Yashri paurusham akrutva agachati. Labhyati. Yashri paurusham akrutva yadi labhyati. Shri, that fortune which comes without manly effort, without putting in any effort, Srinivas, Paurusham. Purusha prayatnam vina ya Lakshmi labhyati. Iti artha.
Okay.
Purusha prayatnam vina ya Lakshmi yad dhanam labhyati. Kim taya, Shri is Strilinga Shabda. Kim taya, Shriya, api subhogya, although it can be very well enjoyed, subhogyaya. Subhogyaya taya Shriya kim prayojanam. If money comes without putting in effort, what is even though that money gives you comfort, but what is the use of that money? In the Nataka, we will be studying, Mruchakatika, he says, Sukha Sukattu yo naro yati daridratam mrita sharirena. So a person who goes from sukha to dukkha is like going from life to death. But on the other hand, a daridra who comes from daridra state of mind to the riches, his life will be glorified. So first you work hard, you know the value of the work, you know the value of money, and you get money. That money is highly enjoyable. So that is the idea here. Paurusham should be involved. Like some children born in big families. We have one example. I should not take the name here. Politically, we have one very big example, joke of the entire India, who is brought up in such a way that he does not know what is what. And when he talks, also people laugh. Now he is giving the example here. Jarad Gavaha, old bull, Samashnati Daivad Upanatam Trunam. Even an old bull enjoys some truna, some grass which comes, which it happens to come across. Enjoys it. Even an old bull also enjoys eating grass, fortunately coming across. So Jarad Gavaha Sam Ashnati. Ashnati Nama Khadati Daivat by luck. Upanatam Trunam, coming Trunam. So if an old bull happens to come across some grass, then it enjoys also. So that is not the issue. One should go in search of the grass. Then the maza will be different, the taste will be different. So what is the final upadesha coming out of this Labdha Pranasha to us is that people should put in hard work and make money, and that is real enjoyment. The enjoyment that comes out of hard earned money is real enjoyment. Otherwise, if there is no paurusha, there is no hard work, but you somehow got by way of commission, by way of commission and bribery, that money, what kind of enjoyment it is. So that is the advice given here by Vishnu Sharma ji. It is Sri Vishnu Sharma Virachite Panchatantri Labdha Pranasham Nama Chaturtham Tantram. So Labdha Pranasha means if you have something, possession, if you are in possession, you should know how to protect your position. You should be having that power to protect if you do mischief, if you do go in wrong way, then you will lose your position. Like the Makara lost its position by way of, going and then unnecessarily involving the monkey, trying to take the life of the monkey. But at last, the monkey itself came to the rescue.
Yeah.
Monkey was not willing to advise him, but he said, Saptapadam Maitra Muchate. Then the Makara said, okay, finally one thing, you are my good friend. Now I accept that I am a Krutagna, but still you can advise me. So with that Upadesha, the Makara became enlightened and it went and attacked the enemy and got back its home and then lived happily. That is what he said. Sukena Chirakalam Atishtat. Swashrayam Chalabdva. So how to, this happens, this is very applicable now also, Srinivas. You buy some piece of land. Why our own sir, no name taken here.
Yeah.
Our own sir had a piece of land in some place and then it was occupied. He being in such a big position, even his land was taken. Then he had to involve police people to evact them. So
if you are so good, then all these problems you have to face.
Yeah, that is. So Panchatantra teaches us the real way to live life with courage. If you have no courage, if you have no intelligence, then you can't live. If you have no moral courage, you cannot live. If you have no strategies, you can't live. You should have the strategies how to deal with the enemy. So like the poem we have already seen, Shuram Pranipatena, etc. So if he is a brave, then you surrender. If he is a Nicha, then Alpa Pradhanena. If he is equal, then fight him out. Otherwise, if he is Shura, then you apply the Bhedopaya. So these things are all very useful actually. So here we come to the end. We'll take the next tantra, Srinivas,
Sure.
maybe next class. Shall
Yes,
we
sir.
earmark for next class? Okay.
Yeah.
Shubham
Thank you,
Bhuyas.
sir. Namaskaram.
Namaskar.